Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold, guys. What are we expecting on gold? As we can see that I'm just going to do a quick recap on my previous analysis on gold. As you can see on gold, I said I was expecting gold to push to the upside. We can see, I think we were around this area right here, and I said there's a possibility for gold to continue to push the upside. We can see an impulse, sort of a correction, and I was expecting it to push the upside. I think we're around this area right here. I wasn't expecting it to get to this level, but as you can see that it got to my 20% level and we started tanking to the upside. So basically right here, gold was just it fell on the on gold because I was expecting it to actually push to the upside one, right? We had this counter trend line right here, and I said, but since we'll be seeing rejection around this area, there's a possibility for it to reject and continue to tank to the upside, and that was the reason for my whole move. Yes, we did tank to the upside, but um it wasn't what I expected, at least based on my analysis, so I did not take the market. So let's just delete this analysis and I'm gonna reanalyze gold again based on the current price market. Let me go to a bigger time frame just to do a quick recap on the overall direction on gold currently. We can see right here that we have this counter trend line right here, and we have weak rejections around this area. Let's readjust that. We can see that we didn't see any candlestick closing below the trend line. This is the one that might be a little bit tricky for us because we suddenly pushed down right here based on that, and we can see that we didn't close above it. Currently we are pushing to the upside, so let's see how this candlestick will close for the week. This is the weekly time frame for us to know our next move, maybe, but as of right now we are more towards a buy, right, rather than a sell. But if you want to see more sell, or if we're looking for more sell, like more confirmation for sell on gold, at least if you see like a close of candlestick below this below the trend line, then that might signifies that we might continue to push to the downside. But as of right now, it just makes sense for us to buy until we see otherwise. So let me go to a daily time frame. Let's see how the market is. We can see right here we had this counter trend line right here. So the daily time frame is genuinely giving me more of a buy momentum rather than a sell, because the momentum is not really solid for a sell right now. Until otherwise happen, we can see that on the daily time frame we actually did not even close. We don't have like a good bear close, bear candlestick close below the trend line. Right, we can see that it's not really that solid, so that just makes sense for me right now for me to buy rather than a sell right now on gold, guys. So let's see this one right here. So this would be my buy move on gold, guys. Let me zoom a little bit. Yeah, let's see. So what am I expecting now? We can see that we have this multiple rejections around my 38.2% fib level. around here. So there's a possibility for it to drop. We have that possibility to push the upside, to be honest. So we can see we have some sort of like an impulse, a correction, then a continuation to tank to the upside. We have that. So let's extend this trend line right here. So we can see that it sort of gives us like a W pattern right here, right? I know it's not straight like I mentioned before. It's not always straight most of the time, and we know that the W pattern is a reversal pattern. So there's a possibility for us to tank, and we can see that we have this engulfing candle close above this counter trend line we have right here. So that also solidifies more buy on gold, guys. So I'm just gonna draw a counter trend line, right? I'm gonna draw a minor fib right here from point here to point B. Change the color of that. So we can see, let's go to a smaller time frame and see. So there's a possibility for us to drop to 50% level. We can see we have the breakout zone right here. If I draw a zone right here, we can see that we have multiple rejections around this zone right here. So there's a possibility for us to come down there to retest it, because we can see this candlestick close above it, then continue to tank to the upside. There's a possibility, or you might just start rejecting from this 38.2 that we have currently, just to retest this trend line right here. We have breakout structure right here. We have breakout structure, come down to retest it, so we can around this 38.2% level, then continue to tank to the upside. So that is my thought. So I'm just gonna draw maybe something like this. Then my TP will be around here. Change the color. This will be my TP. So my TP1 will certainly be around this area right here, which is coordinate 630. So that'll be my TP1, and if you continue to see more momentum of buy, then certainly this will be my TP2, right around there, which is 623. 623. Yep. So let's see. So right now, that is my thought on gold, guys. If we want to sell on gold, we have to see a sort of a breakout structure, because as of right now we are more towards a buy, showing us more of a buy rather than a sell. So I won't go against that, but if you see anything new, then we might see. Let's see. So let me just do a quick from here to here. 70. That makes sense. So that is my thoughts on gold, guys. That's a quick summary on gold. So like everything is just pointing towards more of a buy right now than a sell on gold. But like we all know that anything can happen in the market. If anything changes, then I'm just going to reanalyze based on how the market is changing on. But based on right now, I just see more of a buy on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will really help me, guys. and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching. Bye.